Xbox also lame. Power up is Nintendo's reign. Harmon's here, we break the chains. Pixel worlds, we lead the game. Sorry, Sony, Microsoft, it's all in there.
So this is a very good example of how the giant cope that Nintendo Switch 2 has no games, how that was always destined to fail. Like, not only did Breath of the Wild and Tears of the Kingdom do very well with their updated re-releases, those style of Nintendo Switch 2 upgrades was going to be extended to other releases as well.
Armor Smith, he's the name.